Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Kenzie's Kitchen. When I was growing up, one of my favorite holiday activities was making Christmas candy with my mom. We would pick one night where we would stay up really late and we would make all sorts of candies that we would give out as gifts to friends and family. So today, I want to show you how to make one of our favorite recipes, peppermint bark. This recipe only requires a couple ingredients and it's super easy. First, line a baking pan with parchment paper and set it aside. Chop up your chocolate and place it in a heat-proof bowl. Next, fill a saucepan up with water, place the heat-proof bowl on top to create a double boiler, and turn the heat on to about medium-high. You'll need to stir the chocolate constantly as it melts. When it's about halfway melted, add a half a teaspoon of pure peppermint extract and stir it in. Turn off the heat and continue mixing until your chocolate is totally smooth. Now pour it into your lined baking pan and spread it into one even layer. Then let it harden at room temperature for about 30 minutes. While it's resting, we can prep our toppings. I used a rolling pin to crush the peppermint candy and the Oreos. Now it's time to repeat the whole process with our white chocolate. Remember to keep stirring. White chocolate will melt much faster than dark chocolate, so keep a close eye on it. Add the peppermint and keep stirring. When it's lump-free, it's ready to pour. Pour it right on top of the chocolate layer and quickly spread it around to create an even layer. First, the whole thing is getting sprinkled with crushed peppermint candy. I'm adding our crushed Oreos to 1/3 of the pan, some gold sparkles to the center of the pan, and some green holly leaves to the last third. Use a fork to gently press the toppings into the white chocolate and let it rest for about 30 minutes to an hour. When it's hard, just lift it out of the pan using the sides of the parchment paper and chop it up. I chose to cut it into triangles, but you can cut it any way you like. Now it's ready to serve or be wrapped up and given as a gift.